વિસ્મય તું શું કરે છે બીજી ચેનલ લે બહુ અવાજ કરે છે. I'm serious, it's really bothering me.
Okay, started this recording. Start.
Hi guys, thank you so much for all the love that you are showing us. Firstly, I would like to I forgot now what I started again. It's bugging me, this sound.
Okay, start.
Replay again.
1, 2, 3.
Hi guys. Firstly, we would like to thank you all for all the love that you all are showing us. It's really overwhelming, and we are really happy that it's making you all laugh. So today we are going to do like a 5-second challenge wherein I'll be asking Vismay like a couple of questions. He'll be asking me questions too, and we both get only 5 seconds to answer it. And if we don't answer, obviously we don't get the point, and if we do, then we get the point. So it's a lot of fun and it's interesting, and obviously it tests our GQ.
And honestly, we don't have a way to keep the points, so you keep the points.
Yeah, you let us know in the comments.
Who won this challenge.
Yeah. You let us know in the comments. So we have our cards on us. Obviously, we both don't know each other's questions. Okay, so we are going to have a timer, and he has only 5 seconds to answer this. Let's see how it goes. And we have 10 questions each, I suppose. So let's see. Okay, I'm going to start with a question and then switch the timer on. And don't look at my questions. Okay, let's start with the easy one. You know, it's Vismay, so we got to start with the easy stuff. Name 3 famous bald people.
Anupam Kher,
Time's up! Time's up!
Okay, that's my turn.
Your turn.
Okay,
No, miss.
name 3 beers which start with B.
Budweiser. Budweiser. Honestly, I'm not a beer person. What nonsense.
Time up. Sorry.
You don't know the easy questions.
Simple. Budweiser, Bira White, Bira Blonde.
I am the one your son don't need a...
I didn't think of Beta. Name 3 things you can't do in the dark.
See. You can't see in the dark. What else?
Time's up! Time's up! Time's up!
What is the answer?
Vismay, you can't do it.
Name 5 currencies of the world.
Yen, Euro, Rupees, Lira, and Franc.
That's right.
This is really easy. Name 3 planets.
Earth, Mars, Pluto.
I mean, I had to give him 1 point, you know.
Okay. Name 3 vegetables or fruit starting with P.
Pear, peach, and papaya.
Time up.
I said it before it rang. I'm sorry. Pear, peach, and papaya. Guys, let us know in the comments, please.
Sorry. Go ahead.
Guys, keep a count on the points because we really aren't. So please let us know.
This is simple. Name 5 laptop brands.
Honestly, yeah, Dell, Apple, Microsoft, or whatever it is. These are really difficult questions. I'm sorry,
so
you know, I
simple.
don't know technology. I don't know laptops and all that crap. What nonsense.
It's so simple. Yeah.
Guys, please also write
Please
to
you
be
keep a
fair. Okay?
count of scores, huh?
It's really mean. He told me they're going to be really easy questions, so then I toned down my questions because he's like, oh, they're really easy questions, and he's asking me laptops and
They are
God
very
knows what
easy.
all not. Name 3 things you do while no one is looking.
I crap, I brush my teeth, and I have a bath.
You brush your teeth, people are looking.
I don't.
What nonsense.
I do na. So when I brush my
What
teeth, no one looking at
nonsense?
me.
He's being so unfair,
No,
honestly.
when I brush, no one looks at me, huh?
I do
No,
sometimes.
never.
I mean,
I lock the door and brush my teeth, yeah?
no, not really.
Okay. Next. I'm winning, huh, guys? Next. What is 13 square?
What? 13 square? 26. No, not really. 26, sorry. Not 13 into 2. We have decided we're not going to play this math question game.
This is so simple.
What is it?
13 into 30, 169.
I don't know. I'm 13 table. Why did you ask me 12?
What is 12 square?
144.
It's very easy. Yeah.
Bullshit. Name 5 fruits in the English name.
Jackfruit, orange, peach, plum, and grapes. Yes.
It was off. Time was up. Time was
Why
up.
didn't come?
Time was up.
It didn't ring. It didn't ring. Sorry.
That's wrong. Time was up.
Name
Honestly.
3 presidents of India.
I have the same question, so it's not counted. No, it's not. See?
Okay, then we play with 9 questions.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and it's very simple. Okay.
Everything is simple, but I don't know laptop. You know beer brands. I don't know laptop brands. I didn't ask you anything, something that you don't know. Anything.
Done?
Yeah.
What are the names of all the 6 characters in your favorite sitcom Friends?
Ross, Rachel, Joey, Monica, Phoebe, and who am I forgetting?
Time up.
Monica.
Time up.
It didn't ring.
Why, man? It's
Monica.
a low volume.
I said
It's a
Monica.
low volume.
Are you mad? It didn't ring. Monica. I said 6. I said all 6. 5 high-end makeup brands.
L'Oreal. I mean
It's not
L'Oreal.
high-end, firstly, guys. It's the same thing with laptops for me. Okay. Moving on.
Name
Moving on.
4 Indian wicket keepers. Simple.
Nayan Mongia, MS Dhoni, Dinesh Karthik, and KL Rahul. Name 4 vegetables. Oops. I hate.
All. Cabbage. Ladyfinger.
No, I don't hate ladyfinger. I don't hate
Okay, my first
ladyfinger.
answer was right. All.
I said 4.
I said all.
No. This
Your
is not
answer is
counted.
all.
This is not counted.
She
I'm
hates all
sorry.
vegetables.
No.
She
it's
doesn't
not
eat
counted.
vegetables.
Of course I do. What nonsense. This is not counted. I'm sorry. Okay, guys, please keep us quiet. Genuinely don't know what it is, right? Let's go.
I don't know when
Of course, I must be winning, obviously. But you know how it is.
Name 4 restaurants with the name Sagar in it.
Sukh Sagar, Shiv Sagar, Santosh Sagar, and Maji Sagar.
I thought Baji Sagar was not.
It's restaurants, you see, and it's pav bhaji. So I think this is the last question.
Yeah, your last and my last.
Yeah, my last question. Name 4. This is a question
Why
which I'm
3 and
making.
4?
Yeah, because I'm making it up because
No,
I think my questions are very easy.
It should be 3. Name
My
3.
wish, yeah. Okay, name 4 movies starting with the letter K.
कुछ होता है कभी खुशी कभी गम कल होना हो और कहो ना कहो कहो ना कहो कहो ना प्यारे.
Not a movie. Not a movie. Okay.
Name 4 people who almost or always are the first few people to like a post on Instagram every day.
Parth, Anirudh, Valerie, and Trusha.
Okay.
We're done, guys. So
We
honestly,
did 9 questions each. I think so. I am winning.
No, not really, huh? Since when? We really haven't kept a check. Please let us know in the comments below and let us also know if you had fun and if you enjoy watching something like this. Until next time, bye bye.
Bye bye.